On Muse, you can connect your MIDI device so you can play your collaborators' software instruments inside their DAW. To send or receive MIDI files, you must open your DAW before launching Muse. You will encounter errors if you do otherwise. Now, open Muse, enable MIDI in Muse's MIDI settings, and select the MIDI device you want to share as an input in Muse's MIDI settings. If you want to share MIDI with Muse and your DAW simultaneously, you can use the MIDI pass-through. Muse MIDI pass-through will receive MIDI from your selected MIDI input, and you can choose MIDI pass-through as the MIDI input in your DAW. To receive MIDI input from others in your DAW, select Muse MIDI Receive as the input in your DAW. Make sure they have a MIDI instrument connected on their side, then create and record on a MIDI track the same way you normally would to capture the performance. You may notice some latency depending on network conditions, but you can correct this afterward by quantizing the MIDI notes or dragging them into place.